Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Bila Patel. Today in this video we are going to see one interesting moral story. Moral describes what is right and what is wrong. And you know that moral story brings morality in our life, and that is the very important thing for our life. Okay, so let's go through it. The story title is The Wise Man. Once people went to a wise man for complaining about the same problems again and again. One day the wise man told them a joke and they all roared with laughter. After a few minutes, the wise man told them the same joke again and only a few of them smiled. Then the wise man told them the same joke for the third time and no one laughed or smiled anymore. Then the wise man smiled and said, "You cannot laugh at the same joke over and over. So why are you always crying about the same problems?" Right? So what you learn from this story? Please comment me in the comment box. Okay. Now, moral of the story is, worrying will not solve your problem. It will just waste your time and energy. So we'll learn this thing from the story. Okay. So with this, I am going to wrap up my video. That's all for today. Thank you so much for joining me for this video. Let's meet again with another story. Thank you.